To embroider laced Cretan stitch, we will start with a row of basic Cretan stitch. Mark 4 rows for guidance and embroider equally spaced stitches. After the entire row of Cretan stitch is done, push the needle to the back and secure the thread. Now it's time to add lacing. Thread your needle with a thread of different color and start passing the needle under the stitches. Move up and down and lace the central part of the Cretan stitch. Be careful not to pierce the fabric or the thread. All the lacing is done on the front side of the fabric. Therefore, on the back side you will see only the stitches from the Cretan stitch.